I love bugs.
So do I, David. They're creepy, they're crawly, but they're so cool.
What was your favorite bug today you saw at the Michigan Science Center?
Ooh, a giant 4-foot-long beetle. I looked him right in his eye.
Yeah, but you know that beetle is a lot bigger than real beetles, right? Most insects are smaller, but that doesn't mean they're not interesting. In fact, a rhinoceros beetle can lift 850 times its own weight.
Whew. Whoa, that's cool. You know, ants are pretty cool too.
Mm-hmm.
Did you know that they have 2 stomachs?
Wow.
And they yawn just like us.
I've been working many hours.
Hey, well, what was your favorite insect today, David?
You know, I am partial to the wasp.
Ouch! They can sting.
That's true, but it's only if they're threatened. And besides, they're less aggressive than a yellow jacket or a hornet. Oh, and they are engineers.
Really?
Yep.
What do you mean?
Well, wasps, they make their own nests out of tree bark. They chew the tree bark up, make it into paper. It's awesome.
That's so cool and fascinating.
Yeah, it's kind of like a little insect construction project. Want to give it a try?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. All right, Izzy, let me introduce you to my good friend, Amanda. She's an entomologist.
Hi, Amanda. An entomologist. What's that?
An entomologist is someone who studies insects and bugs.
Cool. So what's buzzing today, Amanda?
Well, today we're going to learn a little bit about bugs.
Which bugs do we have in store today?
We're going to talk about wasps.
Ooh.
Now, Amanda, I have a question. What's the difference between a wasp and a bee?
That's a great question. One of the main differences is how they build their nests. So bees build their nests out of wax. Wasps build their nest out of paper.
Oh, okay.
So what the wasp does is it gathers wood bark and chews it in their mandibles and mixes it with their saliva, and then they make cells out of it.
Oh, so like spitwad houses.
Kind of like spitwads, exactly. So today we're actually going to make our very own recycled paper just like wasps do.
Okay, so where do we begin?
So first you want to get yourself a bowl and fill it with some water. And then rip up some newspaper into small pieces and let it soak for maybe about a half hour. And then once you're done, you're going to obtain a blender.
Like this one here?
Just like that blender there, but safety first.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Make sure we have an adult helping us with the blender. Now I've already blended the newspaper here, but what you would do is add the paper to the blender and some water and blend it till it's a nice pulpy mix. And this is the best part. You get to squeeze all the water out of it, super messy, super fun. So next what you're going to do is obtain some kind of pot or cup, something you want to make your pot out of. Now mold the inside of your cup.
Wow.
Just like that. So if you put it in the sun and let it dry for a few days, you'll obtain a nice planting pot just like this.
How great! So not only can you put it in the ground and have a beautiful flower, it's also food for the wasps and the bees?
Exactly right.
It's the circle of life. It moves us all.
Through despair and hope.
Faith and love.
You're right, David. Wasps are a lot cooler and less scary than I thought. And remember, kids, you can do this too. All you gotta do is join the Metro Parent Virtual Camp to get reminders of the next awesome experiment we'll do.